Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best mattress for daybeds, the ZINUS 6-inch foam and spring hybrid mattress, sized at 75 by 30 inches. This mattress is a perfect fit for compact spaces, designed specifically with smaller-sized bed frames in mind, such as bunk beds, trundle beds, daybeds, and even RVs. If you're looking for a mattress that combines comfort, support, and convenience without taking up too much space, this could be exactly what you need. One of the standout features of this mattress is its hybrid construction, which blends pressure-relieving memory foam with supportive spring coils. This unique combination offers a medium-firm feel, striking a great balance between softness and support. The memory foam contours gently to your body, helping to enhance circulation and reduce stress on your joints, while the spring coils add durability and bounce to maintain proper spinal alignment throughout the night. ZINUS has incorporated patented zoned pressure relief technology into this mattress, which means it targets different areas of your body with customized support. This is particularly beneficial if you experience aches and pains, as the mattress helps to reduce pressure points and improve your overall sleep quality. Another impressive aspect is the mattress's all-natural infusion of green tea and purified charcoal within the foam layers. These natural elements work together to keep the mattress fresh by inhibiting odors and moisture buildup, providing you with a cleaner and more hygienic sleep environment for years to come. The mattress cover itself is crafted from polyester and holds OEKO Tech certification, ensuring that it is made without harmful chemicals. Inside, the foam is CertiPure US certified, which guarantees that it meets strict standards for content, emissions, and durability. This means you can rest easy knowing that your mattress is made with safer materials, free from substances that could affect your health or the environment. In terms of dimensions, this mattress measures 75 inches long, 30 inches wide, and 6 inches thick, making it ideal for narrow beds where space is limited but comfort cannot be compromised. Despite its compact size, the mattress supports up to 250 pounds, providing sturdy and reliable support for most users. Setup is also straightforward. The mattress ships compressed in a smaller box, which reduces the carbon footprint during shipping and makes it easier to handle. Once unboxed, the mattress quickly expands to its full size, ready to provide a restful night's sleep without hassle. Whether you're outfitting a guest room, a kid's bunk bed, a cozy RV space, or a daybed in a small apartment, the ZINUS 6-inch foam and spring hybrid mattress offers an affordable and high-quality sleep solution. It is designed with durability and comfort in mind, delivering value without compromise. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're searching for a mattress that fits compact spaces while giving you comfort, pressure relief, and freshness, this ZINUS hybrid mattress is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.